Don't you worry about a thing. Bitcoin's gonna be all right, folks. That being said, welcome back, go getters. Let's get it. So, Bitcoin took a pretty nice little dip here, back down to the 97K level, and like I said in my videos before, I do believe it's gonna probably come down to around the 92K level. Um, it's possible that we could see a wick all the way down to the 80K level. And for those of you that don't know what a wick is, it's this guy right here. These things. That's a wick. That's a wick. So I do believe we're going to probably see a wick again. I don't know when, but I do believe there is one coming. Like I said in the last video, though, I think what's going to happen is we're going to see this down move play out, and then towards the end of the month is when we're going to start to make a move back up. And with that being said, I kind of wanted to show y'all what has happened in the last two starts of the bull cycle. So 2017, here we are around the 7th. As you can see, it took another dip, and anybody that was new to the market around that time, I'm sure they were probably losing their shit, because it literally went from, what's the high there, 1137 all the way down to 812. And I mean, that's a pretty good sized dip, actually. It's a nice one. Smart money obviously was buying up around then. I mean, that's only 27%, 28%. But it's still a dip nonetheless. And then it continued again. And this is when it started to fake people out, and people were probably thinking, I better get out. And then boom, it starts to come back up. And then it does a little Darth Maul wick here with another dip. And then it starts its ascension. So that's the beginning of 2017 all the way to about May, before it starts going back up again. Towards the end of May. And yeah, I mean, this market can get crazy. Once this bull run starts, when you're watching it in real time happening, it's hard to tell what you're going to do. And I mean, I've been in the market since 2017, and I still get faked out, and I still get, not shook. I used to get shook by these moves, but now I kind of expect them to happen, and I wait them out. And if it does look like it's gonna, dip a lot further, then I'll start closing positions. Anyway, let's look at 2021 here. Very similar. It's going up. Then it starts to make its way down around this time. And I mean, that's a pretty good move to, let's see, down. Yeah, 27% again. Anyway, we could see something like that happen. Don't be surprised. This one though was a little different. It did a little double bottom towards the end of January, before it started to move up. And this market was this was the last bull market, and this one was what seemed like to be cut short. And at this point right here, I know a lot of people were thinking that it was going to continue, and then it started doing this, and I don't know. Bitcoin has a way of faking you out. You really don't know what's going to happen. But around here, well, no, actually, yeah, it was around here. This is where I started to take profit because I kind of just instinctively knew that it was going to start to come back down. And like I said, this market was very different because it had a double top, and when you look at it on the weekly, it's a little more clear. But this one had a double top, so it fooled a lot of people. And then when it started to make this move up, people really thought it was gonna keep going to 100K, and I mean, I was even thinking it was gonna go to 100K, but obviously got stopped short, and it's started going back down to the bear market. And this last bear market, man, that thing was long and brutal. And I don't know, we could see something like this again. I mean, everything really is on the table. We don't know what's coming, and for now, like I said in my last couple of videos, I do believe we're gonna, tap this 91, 92K area, and possibly wick down to the 80K area. And this is going to just shake out a lot of people. Anybody that's leverage trading, they're going to get liquidated. And on the way back up, there's going to be a lot of people that think it's going to keep going down. And so it's going to start its move back up. And those people that are shorting from here this way, they're going to get liquidated, and it gets crazy. But I'm expecting, like I've said before, I'm expecting a blow off top this year, but we got to get past these. We got to get past these first few months, this first quarter in this part of the cycle, because we've officially entered what I consider the first part of the end of the cycle. And, a lot of analysts will say that this is the first part of the last part of the cycle. And it's gonna test you. It's gonna test you. If you're new to this market, man, you better work on those stomach muscles, because it's gonna hurt sometimes, but you're gonna be all right. Listen to some Bob Marley, you're gonna be all right. Anyway, tomorrow, or maybe not tomorrow, but tomorrow or the next day, I'm going to make a video about something that I think is going to be happening a lot sooner than what I anticipated. But tomorrow or the next day, I'll let y'all know what I kind of see coming. It's already started, actually, and I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. But until next time, peace.